Chicken curry today, chicken curry in a hurry. This is absolutely banging. It's really, really delicious. Very, very simple to make, and it doesn't take that long. We've got some lovely spices in there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got 1 kg of chicken parts, like a whole chicken, all chopped up. Skin is on, bone is in. 2 tomatoes, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup or 1 green pepper. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. In there we've got what I always call the big four. So we've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, cumin, coriander and turmeric. Here we've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. I've got about 5 green cardamoms and 5 or 6 cloves. Additionally to those powders, we're going to add a teaspoon there of garam masala powder, and then that is a teaspoon of fennel powder. It's going to give it a really lovely flavor. Let's get moving. So in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different. Coconut oil or mustard oil would be quite nice in here. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds, the cloves and the green cardamom pods, and just for a few seconds in this hot oil, let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil and give it a fantastic flavor. By the way, the heat is on above medium. Now we're going to take our chicken. Skin is on, bone is in, cut it into fairly small pieces. That's 1 kg, which is about 2.2 pounds. In it goes. We're going to fry this for about 5 or 6 minutes, stirring quite a lot. So as you can see, we've got a little bit of colour on the chicken and give it a nice head start. We're now going to add 1 cup of onion into that. I'm also going to add some salt and 1 tablespoon of the ginger garlic paste, which you can buy in loads of stores depending on where you live, or like us, because we use so much of it, we make it ourselves. Okay. Stay on this vibrant heat and go for another 3 minutes. Really fabulous. Okay, let's get some powders in there. So the big four, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, cumin, coriander and turmeric. The garam masala powder and the fennel powder, they're going to be really, really beautiful in there, especially that fennel. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Let's give this a quick little mix. And then we're going to add our tomato. Really pungent, really beautiful spices we've got in this one today. Okay. Fresh tomato, in it goes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Again, stay on this vibrant heat, fairly high. Let's go now for about 5 more minutes. We're going to be stirring quite often. What we want is those tomatoes to break down a little bit and hopefully give off some moisture. Now look, I've done really well with my tomatoes. They were really nice and juicy. Don't get your knickers in a twist if you didn't get this amount of moisture from your tomatoes. Just add a bit of water, but that looks fabulous. Now I'm going to go for my green pepper, bell pepper there. I'm also going to add now some cilantro or coriander. I'm just going to go for like 2 or 3 more minutes. I like a nice crunch on my bell peppers. Check it for salt. This is done. Well done, everyone. Really, really tasty. That is fabulous. That really, really is tasty. The fennel powder in that really gives it a really unique, beautiful flavor. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.